Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. Let's get into the shout outs. Thank you, Miss Nichelle Register, for supporting TM Hair Products and your nice review. Thank you, She Creates Her Life, because I am really self-conscious about my voice, so that really means a lot. Abianca Hammonds, thank you for your support and the wonderful review. And if I butchered your name, please charge it to the public school system and not my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. Now let's get into this video. Okay, let me give y'all the backstory. I detangled her hair off camera and then I stretched it. And I got a stretch video how I stretched her hair, and I'll link that at the bottom. I stretched her hair and then we had somewhere to go. So I just literally unbraided the stretched plaits and slicked it up in a ponytail because I didn't want her looking crazy. So that's what I had to do. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to braid these side parts in individual single braids because we're going to install goddess locks, but I want them to look like individual braids, and y'all will see what I'm talking about. So I want them to look like individual braids, even though they are crochet braids. Now, I use the styling aid to slick her hair up, but I'm also going to use the styling aid again. That is what you see on your screen right there. Hands down, best moisturizer on the market, and quote me on that. Hands down, best one. Now, I'm just going to put a little on there on the root. And what I love about the styling aid is it is not greasy. The styling aid is not greasy. That's why I love it. And it also fights frizz and odor. As a lot of you guys know that my daughters are dancers, so they dance a lot and their heads get sweaty. You know, I can get a little, you know, I ain't going to put them out there like that, but you know, it can get a little bad. So the styling aid helps to fight odors and to keep her hair moisturized while it's in its protective style. Now, if you have not done so already, give this video a thumbs up. If I can get this video to 50 likes in 7 days, I will do a giveaway of the products. Now, in order to be considered for the giveaway, you have to leave a comment in the comment section, and this video has to get to 50 likes in 7 days. The first 3 people to comment on the video obviously will be in my next video, and I will give you a shout out because I appreciate you taking the time to watch and support TM Hair Products, even by the channel. Not only with your purchases, but watching the videos and supporting the channel. Okay, guys, I have separated her hair into zigzags all over, and I braided these little perimeter braids. Okay, so turn around. I'm going to be using the Perfect Assist styling aid. So I did this all the way around, all over, because her hair is very thick, and I did turn around this way. A turn. I did a perimeter, these little individual braids all around, so I'm thinking about doing them as I go around the front too. Okay, so let me get started, and I will come back and show you guys. Now, I'm going to add the styling aid on each one of those parts, adding a little moisture to her hair because her hair was dry because I had previously stretched it and all of that. But to my thick-haired sisters, I kind of envy y'all, and then I kind of don't, because her hair is a lot to deal with because it's so thick, but it styles very well. So that's why I kind of envy y'all, and I kind of don't. I mean, my hair's not this thick, but it's, you know, it's thick enough, but it's not like this thick. And y'all know what I'm talking about, you thick-haired sisters. You guys know what I'm talking about. It takes a lot to style you guys' hair, and it takes longer, and you have to manipulate it a little more. But, you know, we're going to work it out. We're going to do what it do. So all I'm doing here is braiding these back. I like this zigzag pattern because, in my opinion, after doing it a while, you don't have to use as many crochet braids. And the zigzag pattern gives it a more natural appearance. So that's why I really like this pattern. I've really started to embrace this braid pattern. I really like it. This is her braid pattern. Her hair is very thick, so I had to bring it together here. And I might sew it down like, let me see. I might
sew it down or connect it with some crochet braids here. But her hair is very, very thick, so the top and the front is flat, which needs to be the flattest, but I don't care what I do to her hair. Because her hair is very thick, it's gonna have some bulk somewhere, so we rather have it in the back where I can conceal it better. But this is her braid pattern, and then I'm going to let her hair dry. As you can see, I used the styling aid on her hair. Like as you see, these are dry that I showed you guys earlier. These are dry, so I'm going to let her hair dry, and then we will put her crochets in.
I'm sorry, y'all. I may sound a little different, but them birds were driving me crazy. I had to leave. I was outside. I had to get out of there. Okay, but I'm just showing you guys a little footage on how I install her crochet braids because some of you guys asked me, and I just assume you guys see like 10 million crochet braids videos, so I don't really put that much of the footage in, but that's the way I install her crochet braids because her ponytail is going to be at the top of her head. Now, if you guys have not done so, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Look, sis, if you have watched at least 3 of my videos, you family, hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. I'll be doing more giveaways on this channel. Like I said before, if I can get this video to 50 likes, I will do a giveaway of the products. If you are a U.S. resident, shipping is taken care of. If you are outside of the U.S., I'll provide the products, but you have to pay for your shipping. So keep that in mind. All you have to do is leave a comment below and thumbs up this video, and you are in the running to win these products. That's it. That's all. This is the finished look. This is a cute back to school virtual hairstyle. You know, we're going back to school, but I don't know where you are, but we're starting virtual, going back to virtual school. So she won't be in class, but this is a cute look because you look real, real cute from the chest up, and it's a nice little style. I thought it was very cute. She loved it. We had fun with it. That's why we added the blue, and the blue is a very beautiful, vibrant blue. This is not capturing the blue, but it's not too blue because it's mixed with black, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna add an outside clip of her hair so you guys can see it. But I use the styling aid because the styling aid is what's going to protect our hair. A lot of times when we take our protective styles out, our hair is so dry and it breaks, and that's what causes breakage and damage to the hair because you're not keeping it properly moisturized. So that's why I like to show you guys how I use the styling aid. Adding water, braiding it down, and it's not greasy. You can use the styling aids when you put your wigs on. So because it's not greasy, and it, it just keeps the hair nicely moisturized without feeling like, 2 days later, your forehead feels like an oil slick because it's too greasy. This isn't that. These are her pictures. Clearly, it looks like she liked the hairstyle. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, thumbs up this video, and forgive me for my absence, but I've had a lot going on. I appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate all of you who just hanging there with me. Hey, to my new subscribers, I don't want to forget y'all. Thank y'all for checking me out. Thank y'all for joining the family. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.